If you want to learn how to download in Chrome browser, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you the simple steps so you can start downloading files in Google Chrome without any confusion. Whether you're downloading software, a document, an image, or any other file, the process is very easy once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your device is set up. Once Chrome is open, go to the website where the file is available for download. This could be a software website, a cloud storage link, or any page that has a download option. After the page loads, look for the download button or download link. In most cases, it will be clearly labeled, so you won't need to search too hard. Once you find it, click on it. The file should begin downloading automatically in Chrome. In some cases, you may also get a prompt asking you to confirm the download, especially if the file is from an unfamiliar site. If that happens, simply review the prompt and continue if you trust the source. As soon as the download starts, Chrome will usually show the progress at the bottom of the browser window or in the top right corner, depending on your Chrome version. You can click that area to see the download status, pause it, resume it, or open the file once it finishes. If you need to find the file later, it will usually be saved in your default downloads folder unless you chose a different location. That's really all there is to it. Open Chrome, go to the website, click the download button or link, and let the file download automatically. It's a simple process, but knowing exactly where to look saves time and avoids confusion. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.